So recently, there was an order that was passed that the border security forces jurisdiction will be increased to about 50 kilometers in some border states, including Punjab and Bengal. While the state governments did outrage in West Bengal, the controversy escalated to another level. A Trinamool Congress MLA has alleged that the BSF molests women and therefore they should not have this jurisdiction. Of course, the BJP has hit back. This has become a big political face-off. I want you to take a look at this because the Border Security Force has also come out with a statement on this, stating that we are a professional force and do not indulge in this behavior. Take a look.
A fierce face-off has erupted between BJP and TMC in Bengal. And this time the fight knows no borders. On Tuesday, the West Bengal Assembly passed a resolution against the centre's decision to extend the jurisdiction of the BSF along the international border amid a huge uproar. What triggered the uproar inside the assembly was a remark by TMC MLA Udayan Guha, who claimed the BSF personnel molest women in the name of frisking. Outraged opposition leaders demanded that the TMC MLA's remarks be expunged from the record, a request which was turned down by the speaker. Guha admitted to making the statement but said he did not mean all BSF officers indulged in such behavior.
हम बोला नहीं कि नारी निर्यातन करता है, नारी निर्यातन कभी कभी ऐसा करता है कि सर्च करने के लिए अगर कोई 8 साल 10 साल का लड़का है, उनके सामने उनका माँ का गाय में हाथ अगर कोई हाथ लगाएगा, वो देशप्रेमिक हो नहीं सकता। हाँ, बाकी हर रोज हर टाइम करता है, हर बीएसएफ करता है, ये हम बोला नहीं, बाकी ये होता है।
The Border Security Force is not taking the attacks on it lying down. It held a press conference to firmly denounce the TMC Neta's charges.
It is unfortunate that this kind of allegations are being made. And as I said earlier, if someone says that he or she is aggrieved in this regard, the forums are available where grievance redressal is available, both within the border security force also and outside in the form of local police station and our judicial system as well.
The BJP is unsparing in its attack, accusing the TMC MLA of making false and foul claims.
ये शर्म का बात है, हम लोग का कॉलीग है, ये शर्म का बात है। बीएसएफ हमारी शान है, हमारी मान है, देश की शान है। जैसा गंदा अपशब्द यूज किया, इसका खिलाफ कड़े से कड़े कार्रवाई होना चाहिए।
The BJP also slammed the TMC for comparing the central forces to Dalals.
बहुत ही खराब बात किए है और हम लोग चाहते हैं कि इसको एक्सपंज किया जाए वर्ड, बट ऑन सेकंड थॉट्स हम लोग को लगता है कि ये रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये सारा भारत को देखना चाहिए कि पश्चिम बंगाल की जो सरकार, वो बीएसएफ जो एक हमारे आर्मी नेवी का तरह फोर्स है, उसके बारे में क्या बोलते हैं।
TMC's resolution against centre's move has added one more flashpoint in the ongoing tussle between the BJP and the TMC. With Surya Agni Roy in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.